Just a short video. Share the video, guys.
Avec pasteur ni pour nous doyer ce moment. Il n'a doyer mal les pousser là comme ça. On a donné notre main. Non les dérailler. Les dijoua. Amasa ou anomo. Umana lenia. Yara kwe. Oh, yara kele kwe.
Just a short video.
Yara kwe. Mais soin kwani bo.
So I have the time for rap.
Efele o amasaruwa. Amasaruwa. Ona di ati ti kan bo re. Ana do ahe mo he. Ona do agbe to pe yo tore. O mi ami eyan pa. Amasaruwa no mo. Obo kan fi ka ke bo ki ko ba yo pa yo we yan ra wi shakada.
I want to post that.
O ba na mu ja no wa be ya. E cho gwe pe. Amasaruwa ebi bi ana do wu se. Nakana ye fene ma be ya fe na pe era ni ye ke funa igo ne dekita ga gwa lo na ya pa o ye nere wu ona igo ne put 50,000
share the video, share the video.
Iye ri wu ne ona do accept wa expect na mo so wa ya mu je yo to oye ba location
Big
Mosa wana ari badon na amaye felere na ari ko na ameso ni adere ona we na bo ya gbe fi wole tore
just a short video.
Sasa woto na ya fi o mi ma o
Let me just share the video, guys.
Ye ma ene papa ri eniye bi ara ko o mi ma o nu ke alu o mana ri ne wala ko ye ne ba wu na Nuna do awu gbe ebe e wa khian o bi me o nu ke ga lu gbe o mana u ne la bi jo e bi ara gbon ya wu ne wa we nu ni ya wu ne wo na you know it's all men baba yo na you know engineer jami yo nu la ka studio mare o sono me kiri
share the video, guys. This one somebody I buy am, so I want to post and go give am for Belgium. Let me see this one, so I buy those, so somebody can make I buy am. But if you want anything when I don't get, I feel help you order and come.
Printoneliphobia. Medizinischer Fachbegriff für die Angst, dass deine Druckergeschichte ausgeht und du keinen neuen Patronen hast. HP Instant Ink. Drucken schlau gemacht.
IKJF Production.
Baba mafia udi wala gbon pa no ya ne baba de wuniye bi ara mo obi ma ori e ba de baba bi ara mo e de diama pa ni uke ya fi amare o ma we be de ne diama ma we be de ne dede ora gbon o ma do na ropa uche ase uche oso bege ora gbon ori pane o brother na ya fi amare
So I go post just now.
I got you and I like both. So when I quit on my baby, I'm avec pasteur de boulot de yaso mom et na do aye mani bouse la go mo sowa ana do mi no tama no le de rai le di yuwa amo sowa no mo o ma na le ya la kwe o ni ala kele kwa ya mo sowa ni ala kwe bugwe ma esu akwa ni bojo kojo no e ba na se wewe e fere ọmọ sọ̀rọ̀ wa ọ̀nà àdìrà títí kí n bọ̀ rere anadu ahẹ́ mọ́ ẹ̀ ọ̀nàdù àgbẹ̀ gbẹ̀gbẹ̀ yóò tọ́rẹ́ omi àmì ẹ̀yàn pa ọmọ sọ̀rọ̀ wa náà mọ́ ọmọ kan ọ̀bí kàkẹ́wò kí ipò bá bí ó bọ̀ yàn bí ó wẹ̀yàn wá wò ṣàkàrà ògbà náà mú yànnà wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ yọ ẹ̀ tọ́ gbẹ̀gbẹ̀ ọmọ sọ̀rọ̀ wa ẹ̀mí fẹ́ràn ló wù ẹ̀ Nakana,
it's just a funny so I want to go post B now. This one say they go Belgium. So this one, I not be me they do, so now somebody need them. So now make I help and buy and come. So anything what you want from Nigeria, you don't feel buy and come. If you call me, I feel help you. Somebody there where they bring something, can't give me every week. So share the video. And if you want to call me, my number there for my page. Take my number, call me. Anything where you dey find, where you don't get time for abroad, you know, anytime where you need that, call me. I get first where they bring something, they can't give me every week. So this one and I Belgium, this one they go now. So I'll still post go London, I'll still post bid, go give somebody for London today. So I don't saw the bid now, the hand bid with this one. This one they go London. This one where they my hand, so they go London. So now work at the work since, but I not did live video since. So I they work. Sometimes I they work without I not did live video. So this one now London, now this one they go. This one where they my hand, they go London. Share the video. Share. Olivier is here. Belgium and London today, be ready. Belgium and London, be ready. This one is going to Belgium. So if you want something, you not get them. It's dey hard for you to get. Call me. I will fly over for you. So all this one, now somebody now buy am for. So he's saying they find out well. So you know fit now take buy am. Come give am. Now today I'll go post am. So I just make a sample one to now. And before I carry and come out. Now today, now see the carton. The carton already when I want to post time. And the carton be this. So this one they go Belgium today. Why this one they go this thing London. This one will dey my hand, so they go London today. So now hand bid now the person need. They go London. Love and light. When I show my brother love, when I share my video, guys, make me share my video, make go viral. Share and share and share and share. Now I play music. Share the video. I know say that today where they fight.
Started the attack of
When I share, I make go with
Mega
them.
Harvest.
Yeah.
The exact one of Germany. So no way I will go for my so no better. Oh. People That's the new man. Oh. Era especial open wa. Agora mi wa yo.
So anything where you dey find for Europe concerning bid, anything, if the one I not get, if you call me, I fit help you bring am. But it go be good banana mix. Not be say I come help you bring am finish, you know, come get interest. I not did that one. So this one, as somebody get time for Belgium, now still presenter. So he call me, so he want time, but I not get time. I know they do am. So now since they want bring my chemical when I take the work. So now just time I used to make it help and buy and come. So don't be say I dey do am, but if you need them, I will fit buy and come for you. That not be problem. But somebody call me say you need them, so now make I order am for am. So now still presenter like me, now I get them. So today now I go post am, go give am. So I just make I see sample and give una small. So anything we dey find from Africa wey you not get, when I not get, so I feel help you bring am. So not be everything I suppose get. So people still dey where they still they do the work. So the one they still know, they'll still do. Don't even know I'll still do am. So that's so business day. So if na only the one I fit support them, so I fit see help them buy, see help them sell and give people. So now somebody now I get this one. So if you want something you like, you can call me now. Okuse. So I fit bring am come for you, no problem. So this one they go journey today. Okay, bye to where you are going. Safe journey. So anytime if you want anything, call me. Now my name now the best presenter because I now bid that they present. Now me they manufacture all this video you see. So now my hand I tell they do on this hand. I believe say all of now not already they follow me. Now I know say now every day they day here they work. So since 2 days, why I never feel work. This work when I do so, somebody I get time. So the work he whip me well. So I really waste time. I really get time to do and well. I don't rest. So now I say since then on I know tomorrow they do video like that. So from this evening now maybe I will do bead. Today I'll do black. So the chemical when I dey wait it don't come. I'll do black bead today because I want to do German flag. So any other flag where anybody need, I don't get the color complete. So I'll do black now to do German flag. German flag now red and yellow and black. So I don't get the black now. So I'm very happy. So everything when I find I don't correct. So if you want German flag, call me. Anything you want, call me. Any color of the country you dey, call me. Traditional beat color, I get all of them. Like this one and this one are traditional beat color. So any color we define for bead, I get all of them. The best presenter is here to give you guys any latest or traditional bead. So I make it with my hand. I have pink color. This one are pink. So all these video you see for here. So now one person get all of them. One person now I get them. So I suppose post on today now. But I try to call the person. I never pick up. But that mean I post on today now. So I want to know. So all the work everything we want, I don't finish. So you still need more bead, German flag with another flag like that. So now today I will start to do that one now. So make me share the video, make go viral. So I be only una brother. Make una they press love for my page. Make una they follow me up for my page. So I don't get about almost 6,000 something followers. If you not be my followers for my page, try me go press notification bell. Try to be my followers. So anytime when I did the live video, you go get message. So this is your boy, the best presenter in 2020. Now I come out. So I am the best presenter. I started my live videos since 2020. So I give myself the name so nobody the bearer. So I am the best presenter. That is my name. If you want to call me, you want to follow me by video, say now the best presenter be that, I go say yes. So that is the name I give myself now. The best presenter, I will be saying they present bead, traditional bead, they come out. And nobody pass bead. So now bead I tell the crime person. So that is the name I give myself. Now bead that they present to the world to see. That is my talent, what I learned from my mother. So you know, we let them pay. You know, we let them pay the people. So this is the best presenter. That is my name. Make una share my video. Make una they comment. Make una like my page. Make una they follow me up. Now every day they do bead. Every day. Now they do bead. So people they call me 247. They need bead. So now I know they get bead for grand. You see all this one way there, and people get them. Before they do that, before they buy them, before they do them, they don't buy. Before they do them, they don't buy. Before they do them, they don't buy them. Even my material now, we say remain the powder when I they use now only one bag remain. So my mother don't go buy another one. The thing they scarce, they don't they quick get them. So my mother don't order down for the somebody where they buy them from me hand. You know the day market every time. The person who get the company before where they do the powder, the person don't die. So to get the powder now they hard. So now through connection, now until they get the powder, when I tell they do all this bead. So it's not easy. Make sure they like my page, make sure they share my video, make sure they share and put on our Facebook. You know what I mean? Even my picture, now fit take out from my Facebook, now fit put that for our own Facebook. Una friend fit look on our page now or on our Facebook, you will see bead for there. Go say, I want to buy this bead. Through there, you don't still give me customer. You know, compared now let me go to put my bead put for my Facebook. If you like, you are free to take my picture, put on for your Facebook. Take and do WhatsApp. You know what I mean? Anywhere where you want to put my picture, put on there. So far, not before bad thing. They know they use bead, they do bad. Don't take and put fake accounts. Carry my picture, put on for anywhere, and not disturb anybody. If you put my picture for anywhere, somebody now feel still like when I take put the bead for neck. If he call you say, sister or brother, I like that picture where you post. I beg you feel introduce that person, give me. I been you they do the bead. Through there, you don't see help me. You don't see help me. Not be able to share where they fight, that they show Kweku, that they show Bola or this one. No. Use your hand, use your Facebook. They share better thing. Facebook where you did, or see no say this guy did not better thing. Now they share. If you dey share wetin on, like you get one of my friends wey be say 1 month now they take suspend am because he dey share wetin on good, he dey write wetin on good for people Facebook, they come suspend am for 1 month because sometimes una suppose to dey use una Facebook dey share better thing. If you dey share wetin on good, Facebook go dey monitor you. Not be only when they do live video that they monitor, even you wey dey share now they see they monitor you. Abeg when I share the video make go viral. I just do small short video, so I still get like 20 minutes. Make una share am, una share am. So I dey any type of cap. I get cap, white cap. This one I know say girls they like this kind of cap well. So now they like am well. So this one now the red one be this one. So anytime, anything what you need, call me. I'm here. The best presenter is here. The best presenter. Where they present bead. Now I give myself say I'm the best presenter because I use my hand to make something. And I like video I they do and people they see am. So I'm the best presenter, that is my name. Then Feel Your Eye Comedy. So now they for my page. See am, Feel Your Eye. So now bead that they do. And I know everyone expect how come they do use this page they do bead. Because my friend that time we say we want that they do comedy before we don't do one that time we don't use start. So now until we put this page that time we can write and say Feel Your Eye Comedy. So God know why I put that name that time say Feel Your Eye Comedy. So you know say Feel Your Eye you can't feel wetin I they do because bead now to take and feel your eye because some people they where they never know the way they do one before but they will come see and they'll say that is Feel Your Eye, make your eye enjoy. Sometimes go make that they use this eye they look better thing. So bead na better thing. So now make they use them. They feel me? Make when they share my video, I beg. All the fine girls in the house, all the fine boys in the house, share my video, let it go viral. More than not think and say and my money I they make. No. Now the good thing that you see they do for me to share my video. More than give me love and like now. More than they give me love and like. love and life. If you need Ukuse, call me.
Almighty Twins, Mama P Production. She will bless on this one. See Lord the beat, oh. Yo lo lo lo, yo oh oh. Almighty Twins, na yeru ya swemo. Ero wa okere isi. Ukoni maje na okere. Ọmọ wa no. Ọmọ yẹn wa no. Ọmọ yẹn Ukoni maje na okere. Ọmọ wa no. Ọmọ yẹn wa no. Ukoni maje na ọmọ wa no. Ọmọ yẹn wa no. Ukoni maje na ọmọ wa no. Ọmọ yẹn wa no. Ega ma ve mi ame, iya ma wuwo, meyi mo ga wo. Ega ma ve mi ame, iya ma vi kwekwe, meyi mo ga wo. Igo noro, kwekwe noro, agi ma wa no, iye. Igo noro. Wepe nara, ayi mawano ibiato. Eru da gabe suse ariere, ukona ayi mawano benoma. Eru da gabe biojana iye, ukona ayi mawano benoma. Ukoni maje na osere, ọmọ wa no, ọmọ yẹn wa no, ọmọ egbèrè. Ukoni maje na osere, ọmọ wa no, iye ọmọ yẹn wa no, ọmọ egbèrè. Ìyá gbọgbọ o, ìyá gbọgbọ o, ukoni mẹ́la ọ̀nà o. Ìwé ọgọ́ gbọgbọ wa nọ mẹ́ẹ̀. Ọwọ́ yẹn wà ná mẹ́rẹ̀, èyí mọ́ ra bí pàgbó. Ìwé mi náà déwé láyàwó ẹ̀kọ́, máa mẹ́rọ kí ọ̀wọ̀ sí òwò àgùkù ẹ̀pọ̀ wò dáná yìí wò. Ọmọ tún fi sí máa rí ẹ̀wọ̀n rẹ̀ tó, ẹ̀rẹ̀ yàn ṣe yàrá rẹ̀, ẹ̀rẹ̀ yàn ṣe yàwó rẹ̀ o. Ìwòsàn táwọn rẹ̀.
Share the video, guys. Share the video. Make una no dey waste time. Make una order for una bid. Make una order for una bid. No wasting of time. Time waste for nobody. If you need German flag, call me. Any type of color of bid you want. Your country where you dey stay for abroad, their flag. Send and come give me. I will take and do bid for you. Any country where you dey, if you want bid, you don't want me too big. You want me tiny just to sample. Call me. Like Spain are red and yellow. Red, yellow, red. Now be this one. Somebody, wait, get this one. Now get all of them. So now Spain person. So but he lives in Deutschland. So I will still do the Deutschland flag. So now the black I dey wait since then. The black color don't come. So I will start on later. So after this live video now, I'll go post bid. So I'll go post bid, go Belgium today. Belgium and London. So now I want post today. So, but this one I suppose post and this one are Germany goose. All of them wait there here. So now Germany. Oh yeah, maybe later now if I do live video now. I don't know because if the person pick call now, I need to post the bid today. So I want me if I pick call first. So maybe I talk where I go post now. But this one already. This one now they go Belgium today. This one they go London. This hand bid they go London. So no wasting of time. AB is here to give all of you the latest bid, the latest return, the best presenter. I'm here in 2020 presenter. Now 2020 now I come out. So I don't still try. So when I make share the video, make my video they go viral. I beg I did. So I have 15 minutes to go. Else now you're doing short. Make una like my page. Make una follow me up. Anytime when I enter live video, you go to get message. You don't need to wait me to share and I can't give you. So if you wait me to share video, can't give you, it not to make sense. So make you they follow me up. Once I enter live, message me, bam. So y'all get a crack. So y'all enter there. But when I mean to share my video, I beg. Now beg I do. I just a young guy wait till y'all they come up. So later I go do beat. So me all of us more still do the beat together. I know some people don't they miss me when I never do beats since then. I know they do saga and my one the stuff they do they go. Go do beat. So I'm done. May I play music? Hello? Yeah, I'm even here. And so, if you present that part, when you present that part here, no one will need to say. It's time. In case do one I need there, yet you go out the maybe later now. Okay. No wala. Okay, no problem. May I close the van out of time?
IKGF Production.
My way back in the Sister, I got you and I like more. So when I bring my baby, no matter who we do, I don't know. As I sound to a avec pasteur de Bounado Yazomon, il y en a doyen dans les bouches là comme Solwa. On a donné notre main, non les délaïs. Les dijoua, à Mosolwa non mon, Oumana Lenia, il y a la couée. Oh, il y a la clé pour y Mosolwa. Il y a la couée pour ma soin pour les voyous, quand on nous est bas dans le coué. On a dit à Titi Kiamboé, on a droit à un moyen, on a droit à payer au toré. Ou bien, pas, on mange ou non, on va nous faire qu'à qui peut pas vieux voyant, là, oui, chacun. Au Ghana, Moudiano, avec et Chokwebe. On mange ou et puis bien, il y a de goût du sel. Nakana, il y a fait des marées, il y a fait un peu.
I know for my page. I like calling. Talking about business.
Location, a budget in the state government, they are clicking. Most of one are the bad on my fellow, on our corner, I'm wishing I did it. On the way over here, I'm going to it. On the way I go back. Baba yo, now you know. Engineer, Jamie, you look more like a studio man. Son of a
This is Spanish flag, red, yellow, red. I will do jam out to this. Yellow and green, and princess. Show me love, show me love, show me love. I'm just a young boy that is coming up. Support my page, promote my page, share my page to your page. Tag me self, no problem. They share my page, they share and they go viral. Tag me, anybody will be your friend of you, watch me. No problem. Carry my picture. picture, take a open Facebook as you like. No wahala, take a put for your WhatsApp, no wahala. You know the quarter food. So na so it be.
Si a mani ye ke na se.
Inya sa so come, e na si Jesu me. Onya se ti mu jame, so mani ye ke na se.
Find way for Sunny Street, walking for your marriage, for your burial, anything remember. So this one are the outfit of all these people wey dey here so the hand and the leg everywhere so na one person get all of them all the people dey here so one person na get all of them the leg and hand na dey here the leg and the hand na be all these people one person na get all of them happy very popori na baruku se. later. I think before
No, not one.
maybe 3 o'clock or
He knows all about our struggles.
I'll go post today, go bed
He
on
will guide you the day
I'll
is
start
long.
life later. So see you guys.
Oh Lord, you are worthy of praise.
I'll see you guys later. So love you guys. Now me, the best presenter. My name na the best presenter. Na the name when I give myself now for social media. The best presenter. Share my video, let it go viral. So see you guys later. I want to go post now, go Belgium and London. So see you guys later. Start on now. I want to go post. So I want to go post now. So I need to go post now. And later I go be, I go post the go be some my customer now. So see you guys later. Love you guys. So you know say you want call me, my number dey there. You fit call me anytime. My number dey there. Anytime you want call me, call me. Okay guys. Love you guys.